Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk glow plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You can now see the location of the 4 glow plugs. In order to gain easier access to certain glow plugs, it is necessary to remove some of the components, including the dipstick. To do this, we recommend that you watch the video Changing the Qashqai 1 2.0 dCi EGR valve, where we show you how to remove these components. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. Using a 10mm spanner, unscrew the terminal from the negative terminal. Then remove it. Disconnect the glow plug connection by pulling it out. It is important to know that glow plugs are extremely fragile, and as a result, they often break during disassemble, particularly when they've never been changed before. If they break, it will be rather problematic since the end remains fixed in the cylinder head. If you decide to change them, we have several tips to maximize your chances of success. Several days before carrying out the operation, apply penetrating oil to the bottom of the glow plugs. Remove the plugs when the engine is warm and cover in cold spray to remove the plug and potentially unstick it. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, slowly unscrew the plug.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new glow plugs. Put the new plug in place and check the box for the recommended tightening. Roughly screw it back on with an extender and a 10mm socket. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Replace the glow plug connection. Reinstall the dipstick. Reconnect the battery. Finally, put the engine cover back in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.